It's Jyoti, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a glowy nude makeup tutorial without using any foundation or concealer or any eyeshadow palette. It is a simple makeup look that can be easily done by beginners or anybody who does not like to invest so much time in doing their makeup or do not like heavy makeup. Without any further ado, let's get started with the video. I don't have anything on my face right now. As we are going for a dewy makeup look, we have to make sure that the skin is well moisturized. If your skin is moisturized well, it shows in the end result. So do not forget to moisturize your skin. Plus my skin is very dry. My skin becomes flaky if I don't moisturize my skin well enough. So I'm going to use this Nykaa Carrot Seed Oil. All the products will be listed in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. The next step is using a BB cream. I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Genius all-in-one BB cream. The best part is it has SPF 30. So it will provide you some sun protection if you are going out. I'm blessed with good skin, so I don't need makeup or I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. I rarely wear makeup, which is when I'm shooting a tutorial like this. Even when I was going to college, I would only use a sunscreen and a lip balm or a lipstick and some kajal, and that's it. Just a bit of lipstick is good enough to brighten up my face. If you are someone who has acne marks and need more coverage, then you can also buy the Pond's BB cream. It is very pigmented and it works more like a medium coverage foundation. If you have a lot of dark circles and you want to cover that but still not use a foundation, then go ahead and buy that Pond's BB cream. It will still do the job. This is in the shade 02 Soft Beige. As you can see, this does not have much coverage, so your skin will still look natural. It provides a buildable coverage, so if you're not happy with the coverage it provides in one go, then you can always go ahead with second layer. It's not completely matte, it's very moisturizing and it gives a dewy finish, and I really like it. If you're going for a natural look and you want your skin to see through, then this is the BB cream you should go for. If you are in a humid place or if you have oily skin, you can always set your base using loose powder. As I have dry skin and I love the dewy glowy finish, my skin is not that oily, so I'm not going to be setting my face. But if you want, you can buy this Coloressence HD powder. For contouring, I'm going to be using Sivanna colors palette. This is in the shade 04 and I'm going to be using this last shade. If you have peach fuzz, then always while contouring or applying any loose powder, always do it in this downward direction so that it gives you an illusion of smoother face. If you draw a line on the tip of your nose looks sharper. For blush, I'm going to be using this shade right here. A bit on my nose as well. So here is a trick. If you feel that you have gone a little overboard with the blush, like here I don't like too much blush. So you just take your loose powder, this is Coloressence HD, and just take a little bit of your loose powder and just go over your blush. It will lighten it. See, it looks less prominent. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my good old Maybelline Master Chrome. Highlighting my nose now. bit on the cupid's bow. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. This is amazing. You've got two shades here. One is dark brown and one is light brown, and one wax which can be used to set the eyebrows. So it's very handy because it has all in one. So I'm going to be using the darker shade here to fill my brow. If you want a more feather-like effect, do it in upward motion and then you can get that natural feather-like effect. Let's move to the eyes. I'm going to be using the same Sivanna palette and the same shade which I used for contouring, just to give a bit of depth to my eyes. Bit on the lower lash, and that's it. As I always wear gold, this time I'm thinking of trying out eyeliner because I always end up wearing Kajal. I don't wear eyeliner so often because if I apply a wing eyeliner, my both eyes are going to end up looking different every time. I cannot make them look similar. That is why I never wear eyeliner. I'm using this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. See the difference, right? I'm using the Maybelline Volume Express mascara. Going with a light hand because I'm wearing lenses and I don't want a lot of product on my eyes because then it irritates my eyes. Now time for a lip shade. As I'm going for a nude look, I'm using the lip shade Nykaa Matellicious Lip Cream in the shade Mocha. It's a beautiful nude color. I'll just open my hair and come back. That's pretty much it. We are done with the makeup. That's pretty much it for today's video. If you liked this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update from this channel. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram for fashion and beauty updates.